This is task 1E part 3, where we're now going to look at calculating the band. So that is the category of charging. So if we have a look at our data worksheet, we can see the band is based upon the year. So in 2015, price band A will be used, 2016 A, and so on, and we get through to here, 2030, price band D. So in order to work out what the price band is for each year as we work through this proposal, we need to be able to look up the year and then return the price band. Now this table here we've already called rates table, so we can look up in that table. So what we're going to do is we're going to use a Vlookup. So we'll find that here. If you can't find it, just type for it there, Vlookup, and it will appear. So my lookup value, what am I going to look up? I'm going to be looking up the year 2017. Now, so that I don't have to refer to this as B2, I can just type that as year column. So I'll be looking up the year column. Where we're going to look it up, the table array that we're going to find it in is going to be this table here, okay, which is the rates table. Now, which column do we want to return from the rates table? If we just go back and have a look, we want to return the second column. So we'll be looking up in the first column, it's column number 2, but we want it to return. And then here we need to put true or false. Well, we're going to get an exact match. We're not looking for a range, so we'll just put in here false because it's an exact match. That then completes your function. If you have a look here, that's what it is. Looks up the year column in the rates table, returns column 2. And we should just be able to replicate that down the column. Now don't worry about these errors. We know that it's not going past 2030, and in fact it doesn't even go past 2028 for this particular customer, but that's not a problem because we're going to deal with that later on. What we do know is that this has worked, and we now need to annotate. So you need to explain what a Vlookup function does. You need to explain why you're looking up, or why you're finding the year column. You need to explain why you're looking it up in the rates table and where the rates table is, and why you're returning column 2, and the fact that false is because you're not looking for an exact match. You then explain that you replicated it down the column.